One of the simplest ways to make money online is to make $20 for every view. I'll demonstrate how to do this in today's video. With this approach, you can earn as much money as you can. Since this new tactic is fully free and available from anywhere in the world, you don't need any advanced technological abilities or expertise to get started. You also don't need to create any videos, websites, or social media followers either. Now let's begin the video. Visit entireweb.com to get started. Even though EntireWeb is a startup, it is comparable to Google, which is why they are rewarding anyone who can generate clicks that lead to this website. They want more people to click on it so they can increase the number of individuals who visit their website and increase their revenue. You should click the menu icon on their webpage, followed by affiliate. You will be directed to this page, where you can make up to 50 cents for each click or $10 for 25 clicks. As you can see, you will receive payment for every click you send our way. Once the procedures are complete, you can use PayPal to distribute your funds. As you can see, the end of the month will witness the payment of all profits from the previous month. The currency used for all transactions is the US dollar. This platform operates similarly to Google's search engine to stimulate your interest. You can search for anything you want on this website. Any topic or term you want to research or learn more about can be entered. You will receive the most current and accurate information from this platform. For instance, if I key in money making, I'll be taken to this page, which will display all of the search results related to the term or topic I just typed in. By employing this tactic, we turn into website boosters, or affiliates in their terminology, who will help them in establishing the trust of website visitors, enabling you to earn a ton of cash as quickly as cake. Furthermore, if you encourage someone to utilize the website, you will profit significantly. And that only applies to one person. What if you could simply click on it to convince hundreds or thousands of people to use this search engine? That means you're about to receive a sizable sum of money. Let's begin by registering. To do so, you click this button right here. You will be taken to this page after clicking, where you must enter the details necessary for them to finish your registration, including those listed above. After signing up, you'll be brought to your individual dashboard. However, you must first obtain your special bond before moving forward. If someone clicks on your link and goes to EntireWeb, you'll earn a lot of money. Now all you require is a short script to advertise your special URL. Create a blank page in Google Docs and write anything you want to persuade them to click your link on it. Another option is to search for a pre-written script on Google. If you had the time, you could just write your own, though. The brief time and effort you put into writing a script will soon pay off handsomely. To get your script in PDF format after finishing it in Google Docs, just click the icon below. After that, we'll move on to slideshare.net, where we will submit our finished short script and include a link to our website. This platform is amazing with millions of daily views from people all over the world. With this traffic generator, you may freely advertise any link to thousands of people every day. Click this button right here to start the account creation process. The next step is to select the file you wish to promote and give it a compelling name that will encourage users to click on it. The end of that. Check out my other videos if you enjoy this type of material, and if you do, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Until the next video, take care.